Oyiko. What's happening? My guy. They don't do am. Oyiko, what's happening now? Why you fold like I come when not done? What's happening? No, chill now. Calm down. I understand. Hey. What's happening? Follow me talk now. What's they happen?
What's happened last time? So right now, think about yours did that.
You know you're the fool. You still the money your wallet. Now your wallet now.
How much dollar this other wallet?
Now let you know what you they carry. No worry, calm down. I know Saturday they like this saying anything woman matter. You know when you.
How much I come on?
Don't worry, calm down, chill. You get what me I won't tell you.
Listen.
Chill.
Talk I don't get joy.
I know. I know say you like to the bath, you like to the waitata. I won't get you self know now. Something must kill a man, normal. Don't die. But meanwhile, no be all those things where you carry. We be see last time what you carry come na kata. This time around at the full cough you carry. No be those kind of things we carry. What I want show you. What I won't give you for free. No, forget money, forget charges, bills on me. This head, I'm money full. I want to show you one fine one. If you see the back, no be one of our back alone. Your one side, not like times 4 of their own.
You know me now?
Oh God, my full chest. If I don't mean them, may rain for tomorrow. I mean them that. If you see the way the back dey. I don't want to talk about the front, so she carry confirmed 2 face and better idibia. Hey, wait.
No. When she come?
Anytime when you ready, I will. Makolana, you ready? Me, I know say you like to bath. Makola. Oh God. You said me, I know say normally you like better thing, man. To the number, yeah. Whew. She dey come, no worry, calm down. You don't the ring. Hey, don't worry. I know say normally as you did so. She don't pick up. Hello, Nesho. Have fun now. Don't worry, just come in.
Hey, how have you been now?
My dear. Life. You get to be. We just they do and they go sit down. Come on, chill. You know now. Hey, how you doing now?
Just been pushing, hustling.
That's why you be everybody they push like who get belly. Anyway, Oyiko! Where this guy go now? Oyiko!
Let me shout, man.
Oyiko! How fun now? That is a one shout back now. Yeah, so this is Oyiko, my friend, my flatmate. Absolutely.
How far? She please.
So she bad. So you like with that? You know that. You know, guys, I just said only women they gossip. Guys, our own bad. So I already said it. This is Oyiko. You could meet my friend Nasho, and you know you guys can get along. Oh, come on, feel free.
Is it fine guy?
Of course, I take care of him a lot.
Nice. Hi, you're the soft.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm sorry. When it was coming, I was trying to do something inside. I was trying to tidy up one or two things. So I don't know if you can just come inside so that I'll just tidy up. So it don't make sense. I'll just leave it like this.
No, it's fine.
Yeah, of course.
You're okay, right?
Yeah.
Come on, feel free. Hey, feel free. Come on, it's nothing.
Just there, I'm coming here.
I don't tell you.
So bad.
Oh.
When they speak English.
Oh.
See.
Something they pay me.
This way you do for me. I will do you too.
No worry. I be muka carry. I make she go back. I'm not gonna forget.
Yeah, sorry, I have to go back and just. You're welcome. I have to just do one at it now. You're very fine. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Neshu, right?
Yeah.
I got it. Neshu.
And you're Oyiko.
Oyiko. Nesh. And let me just quickly finish what I'm doing here. Let's get down to business.
Which business? Come here, Joe. Did I come here to watch you do what you're doing? Yeah!
You know me now?
Yeah.
See, my friend is the best. Yeah, move. Jesus! Hey, move! Jesus! Move! Hey! Move!
What's happened now? What's happened? After you enjoy yourself, I'll be a bad guy.
Which enjoy myself? What do you bring on? You say you enjoy myself? I don't enjoy myself on the couch now. What's on my bed?
What thing you don't do?
Hey! Hold on, guys.
Hey! She don't die, you.
You know that?
You don't keep person.
Who keep us? Nobody bring us. Hey! And I tell you, I won't come on for Mama time. You say you won't bring this.
What do you do? What do you do? You don't keep person thinking. You don't keep person see your face. Oh my, you sabi cry you. So now you sabi cry. Now what time always they advise you now so you go just go carry do anyhow. You wait to like woman. One day woman go kill you.
Sir, I don't understand.
What do you not understand? What do you not understand? Now prank we carry you play now. So that make your eye for up.
You told me that
Yes.
you used to fall into wrong hands.
A
And
little.
decided that this is your best friend. I can help since I'm into acting. So we decided to come here and play a fast one on you. So you will learn.
And I actually fell for it.
Wow. Sorry. Did you by any chance meet anybody in this room, in our house?
No. Did you bring anybody to the house?
No, I'm just asking. You sure you're the only one? Nobody. Nobody. Oh my sweetheart. Look at you.
I missed you.
Missed it too. I was just saying, the long walk. I'll start walking and I'll start missing you for 2 days.
And I surprise you.